Hi everyone, my name is Sonal and in today's video you're gonna see how I do my brows. A lot of you guys were interested in knowing how I do it, and usually I skip it into my makeup videos because it's a long process, but this one is going to be an easy one. I will share how I transform my brows from this to this. Every time that I do my makeup, because of the base and the foundation, my natural brows tend to look a lot more lighter, and that's the reason why I like to personally fill it up. So this is how my brows look like naturally. I do not prefer threading my brows. I personally just use a face razor sometimes, that too very rarely, and this is how naturally they look. Also today I'm gonna be trying a new launch with you guys. This is from Sugar Cosmetics. It is their Arch Arrival Brow Pen, which is available in 2 different shades. I'm gonna swatch both the shades for you guys. It has a very interesting tip like so, and it creates hair like strokes. It does not smudges and is a waterproof formula, and that's the reason why I have been enjoying to use this. And I personally like the shade Cherry Brown more because it looks very natural on the brows. So we are gonna use it to fill my right brow. I'm using the shade 01, and first I'm going to draw very lightly. I'm gonna draw some hair like strokes in the start of my brow. By holding the product at the edge, I am gonna apply lesser pressure at the beginning, and as we move towards the end we'll apply more pressure. To have more pressure and more intensity of the product, I'm holding the pen more closer towards the tip, as you might have noticed. Here I'm just filling all the sparse gaps. And now as I feel the need, I'm just going to draw more hair strokes in the beginning of my brow. Slowly and steadily I'm actually shaping and filling the brows in. So you can see there is a lot more shape now, and there is a lot more structure to the brow. And now I'm just going to go ahead with the concealer. I'm just going to actually conceal and carve out my brows. This is not just going to make everything look nice and perfect, but it will also help you to give that precise brow look. This is basically how I like to do my brows, using just one product. Usually I like to go for different products for filling in my brows, but this is the easiest way of filling in the brow for everyday purpose, and it looks perfect. Now I'm going to use the shade 04, and I am going to be demonstrating how the color exactly looks. So we're going to be filling the other brow using that one. So again I'm drawing hair like strokes, and I'm going to repeat the process just for you guys, and you'll have a better understanding how exactly I did it. So just again I am going to be drawing some hair like strokes in the beginning, and as we come towards end portion of the brows we will apply more pressure. You can see the color is more intense of this shade and it looks more darker. I have followed all the same steps, and that is exactly how my brows looks like. You can see there's a lot of difference in both the brows. I've seen a lot of girls who apply full face of makeup but skip the brow portion. It really adds a lot of definition to your makeup look. So please do not skip out on your brows. Keep on practicing how to do your brows. It really makes you perfect. I still believe I have a lot to learn, but this is exactly how I like to do it, and I hope you guys find this video helpful. Also the product link will be in the description box below, so do check it out. And yeah guys, that was basically it for today's video. I hope you guys actually learned something out of it. If you find this helpful, please like the video, and I'll meet you in my next one.